The comprehensive guide to buying a BTO apartment in Singapore. Buying a BTO apartment is a great way to start your homeownership. You can enjoy the benefits of home ownership in a safe and established environment. If you meet the eligibility requirements and are interested in the BTO process, don't hesitate to start your home. In order to buy a BTO apartment in Singapore, there are a few eligibility requirements that. First, the applicant must be at least 21 years. Secondly, the applicant must be able to prove income and be able to pay for the financing of. Third, the applicant must provide proof of funds from banks or other financial institutions to. Once the eligibility requirements are met, the applicant can proceed with the application. This can be done by entering a voting system. From here, the applicant is selected based on criteria set by the government. The selected applicant must then submit various documents for verification. After the applicant has successfully obtained the apartment keys, the next step is. This includes registering a change of address, providing utilities and providing furniture. Some people may also choose to renovate the home and give it a personal. Finally, the applicant can move in and settle down in the apartment. If you feel overwhelmed by this process, you can always consult experienced real estate agents. They can point you in the right direction and make the whole process more bearable. Ultimately, buying a BTO apartment in Singapore is a rewarding experience that offers you a safe and comfortable place.